I am back at it again doing my sister's hair. She turned 25 this year. It's probably about, I want to say about 2 times out the year that I may be able to get in Ivory's head. So she came down to get it done. Her birthday is the day after Amari's. So yes, you see me detangling her hair. She hadn't already washed it and did the plaits herself, but it was a few days after I was able to actually get in her head. This is a coconut oil by OGX, as well as a keratin oil. Sorry about the background noise. Y'all know I have kids. If you don't know, now you know. I got all those products. Half of the products that I purchased came out of Walgreens. However, I found them cheaper in Target or Walmart. Very much cheaper. I was so upset with myself with buying out of Walgreens, but I didn't know if the other stores would have it. But anyways, I am going over her hair with the vent brush that I purchased. That is also a Dr. Knot vent brush. I love it. You know, sometimes you can buy a vent brush and it come loose as you comb, especially with thick hair. That is no issue with that particular vent brush. I am detangling and spraying, like I said, with those oils before I get ready to use the next item that I purchased. And that kitchen back there, I call it a kitchen. Y'all see her kitchen is ate up. That's what she used for her meditation. She pulled on the back of her hair. Been like that always, and it do not grow back there. So yeah, I'm just spraying it up, spraying it up, spraying it up. I can very much say that I have patience with thick hair. My hair was like this as well. That's why you see me with the dreads now, because I ain't got time. Ivory once had dreads, but hers was too small and it was too heavy on her head. That's why I said in a video a few videos back, when I probably was doing my hair, my son's hair, the size should really matter. It doesn't matter if you're getting locks, lady locks, or whatever. If you have thickness of your hair, it really matters. Right there is the dryer that I was showing y'all. Slow motion it. And I have to say, this is by far the best thing that I could have purchased. Like, I should have been bought that. Do y'all see how straight her hair is? After I did it with the vent brush, I went back over it with this dryer. I'm sure it works well on wet hair, but like I said, she hadn't already washed it and just plaited it after she detangled. So I was just going back over it with that the dryer. And that is also a Dr. Knot brand. I also purchased that in Target, but you can find it in other stores, I'm sure. But I'll leave the link down below. That is a miracle worker, I promise you. And it don't take long to straighten. It gets really, really, really hot. I burnt my hand a few times just from touching her hair, but it does what it needs to do. When I looked at it and it said doctor, I knew that it had to been a good item. And I'm just, like I said, going over her hair, and I'm almost finished with this section of her head. I am now about to trim those ends. Like I said, I probably get in her hair 1 or 2 times out the year. 1 or 2 times out the year, and within those 1 or 2 times, she don't have her hair clipped until I'm able to do it, being that we are 4 hours and something minutes away. So yes, it was time for a trim, very much. So yeah, taking my time on it, trying to get all them ate up ends. She once had nothing but the blonde and red hair, and all that color is gone now. So that's just her natural color. And like I said, I took my time and trimmed. And after I let the hair go, of course it drew up. That's why I was trying to hold it as straight as I could before I released it after I clipped the ends. So yes, I am my sister hair doctor. I'm sure it's probably been maybe one or two other people that didn't actually clipped in her hair, but I'm the one that do all that. Like a little mama figure. I always stayed up with doing her hair even when we was younger, so I still do it to this day whenever I'm able to and whenever she come down. In a few seconds you'll be soon seeing me going back over it with the hand dryer. Um Once I finish clipping that top part of her hair as well. And I done the same thing that I done from the back. And then I added I brushed half of her hair that's up in a ponytail. I clipped it from the front, but I went around in a perimeter area, like a circle, to making sure all the ends was even. So yes, there is me going over it with the blow dryer. So now I am ready to do these sprays. Y'all look at that lady in the background of that TV. So yes, there's another little new product that I tried. I thought that I showed it, but I will leave the link in the below. She said, "Hey y'all, it's like a edge control, but it's more on this same hairline that I use, the OGX, if I'm not mistaken." So yes, I'm braiding, and I can tell you, y'all, after all these years, my sister is 25 and she's still tender-headed. So as y'all see me braiding, y'all gonna see her moving and trying to grab my leg and moving her neck and everything else and not being still. She worse than those boys. I told her my girls don't give me no problem, but her hair is so thick, so I had to work it in with my hands. And that's just me slicking that little edge control down, because I told her that green brush or that pink brush was not gonna cut it. I needed that brown one. So yes, you see those reactions. She trying to tell me to hurry up with that one. And these braids are gonna stay in her hair. I can tell y'all, she gonna keep these braids in her hair about a month, or a little longer than that. She made sure she tied up so she ain't gotta worry about it. And Avriel was so fascinated with her hair. She kept trying to help me. She was my little assistant, trying to trying to comb my hair out and brush it as I was braiding. She must have thought Ivory's hair was baby doll hair. Told her to go get her a baby doll, but she was enjoying that moment. And y'all, my phone died for the ending results, but I will post a picture in this video to showing y'all how the aftermath was. But this was a freestyle design. I didn't have any style in mind. Normally she'll show me something, but I was just going with the flow. Whatever way I felt like parting, that was the way I was braiding. So yes, that is almost the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, you guys, and thank you guys for watching. And this at the end is our lasagna with our Tasty Touch seasoning.